Okay, welcome to another video of calculation gratuity. As earlier, I explained the rules in the earlier video, which you can find on my YouTube as a video 1. So this will be the video 2. Okay, so now we are doing the calculation. How we will be doing the calculation for the staff. Okay, so first of all, I'll consider the gross salary is 10,000. We're considering the basic salary is a 60% of the gross salary. Okay, the joining date of the staff is like 1st January 2015, and the last working day is 3rd of October 2021. So the staff work total days is 2,468 days, which we can calculate by minusing the dates, the last working from the last working date we will minus the joining date, and then plus 1 is for the date difference, and then we will get the number of days. Okay, now if we will this one is not required. Okay, now if we want to calculate the years, so very simple, this one will be divided by 365. So we will get how many years the staff work. Okay, now out of these 5 is straight away on the 21, so we will minus from the total years minus 5. So 1.76 is above 5, and then 5 is then 5 years. So for both slabs we have to do a separate rate. For this we will be doing 21, and for this we will be doing 30. Okay, so is equal to this one multiplied by 21, and is equal to this one multiplied by 30. Okay, so hereby we are entitled for how many days? 157.849 days. Okay, so this is what we got the days, how many days the staff is entitled for the gratuity if he is working for 6.76 years. Okay, now how we will be calculating the number, the amount. So the total salary, the total basic salary, we will multiply with 12 to get the annual basic salary. So this is the annual basic salary, and the annual basic salary we will divide by 365. So we will get a per day salary. So now we got the per day salary and the days. So what we will do, we will multiply the per day salary with the number of days entitled, and straight away we will get the amount. It's 31,137.40. The staff is entitled for this much amount if he is working 6.67 years. So this is how the calculation is made. And if in case the staff is working like I will make it like 2 years, so we'll make it 0310 2017. Sorry, I didn't put the column. Okay, so so the staff worked 1,007 days, so 2.76 years only. So if 2.76 years only, then no need to have a 5 years, and then the staff worked only 2.76 years, and then he is entitled, because he is less than 3, so he is entitled for 7 days. So the calculation will be only like this then. Okay, if in case the staff work more than 3 years, we'll make it 18, so 3.76 years. So here the rate will change, it will go to 14, and then the staff is entitled for 52 days with 197, and then the 10,000 end of service benefits. So this is how we are doing calculation. So I've explained all the steps. So that's how we are calculating. Thank you for watching the video.